Walk into any tire shop today and you might be surprised by the price of tires for electric vehicles. The numbers on those price tags can make even seasoned drivers do a double take, especially if you're used to shopping for regular car tires. Many drivers expect them to cost about the same as regular tires. After all, tires are tires, right? They're round, made of rubber, and they all seem to do the same job, keeping your car rolling smoothly down the road. But when they see the bill, it's clear something is different. The price gap can be significant, and it often leaves people wondering what exactly they're paying for. Why are EV tires often more expensive? Is it just a marketing trick, or is there something more going on beneath the surface? The answer isn't just about branding or marketing, it's about science and safety. There's a lot of research, engineering, and rigorous testing that goes into every EV tire before it ever hits the road. You see, most people think all tires are more or less the same. They look round, black, and rubbery, but appearances can be deceiving. But for EVs, tires are doing some heavy lifting, literally and figuratively. Electric vehicles are often heavier than their petrol or diesel counterparts, thanks to large battery packs. That extra weight puts more pressure on the tires, demanding stronger construction and better materials. The demands placed on them are higher, and the technology inside is much more advanced than meets the eye. Special tread patterns, reinforced sidewalls, and unique rubber compounds are all designed to handle the instant torque and silent operation of electric motors. This mystery under your car is a story about engineering. Every EV tire is the result of countless hours of design and testing, all to ensure safety, efficiency, and comfort. Tires for electric vehicles have to meet new challenges. They must handle extra weight, cope with stronger forces, and even help make your ride quieter and more efficient. They're engineered to reduce rolling resistance, which helps extend your EV's range, and to absorb road noise, making your drive almost whisper quiet. So the next time you see that higher price, remember, you're not just paying for rubber, you're paying for innovation, durability, and peace of mind on every journey. You're investing in a wheel-shaped marvel that's quietly working hard for every mile you drive. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in your EV experience, keeping you safe, comfortable, and moving forward. If you put an EV tire and a regular tire side by side, you might not see any difference at first glance. They both look like ordinary tires, and to most people, they seem almost identical. Both are black, round, and have similar tread patterns that help grip the road. The designs on the surface might even look nearly the same, making it hard to tell them apart just by looking. But if you could somehow peek inside, you'd discover a world of differences hidden beneath the surface. The real magic happens where you can't see it. Think of it like two cakes sitting side by side. On the outside they look alike, but one is made with special ingredients you can't see just by looking. It's what's inside that makes all the difference. The inside of an EV tire is carefully engineered to be stronger, smarter, and more advanced than a regular tire. Engineers have to consider the unique demands of electric vehicles, which are heavier and deliver instant torque. That's why EV tires have more layers of tough materials, special rubber compounds, and sometimes even foam inserts to reduce road noise. These extra layers help absorb vibrations and keep the ride quiet, which is especially important since electric cars are so silent. All these changes make the tire heavier than a regular one, but they also make it much better at handling the unique needs of electric cars, like supporting extra weight and coping with powerful acceleration. Manufacturers use advanced designs and cutting-edge materials to make sure EV tires last longer, grip the road better, and perform well under stress. They're constantly innovating to keep up with the demands of modern electric vehicles. For example, some EV tires have reinforced sidewalls or thicker treads to handle the extra weight and torque. These features help prevent damage and ensure the tire wears evenly over time. This extra strength is crucial for dealing with the weight and power of today's electric cars, which can be much heavier than traditional vehicles due to their large batteries. So, while the outside might be easy to overlook, the real story is hidden inside the tire. It's a blend of science, engineering, and innovation working together. Next time you see a tire, remember, it's what's inside that counts, especially for electric cars. The unseen details make all the difference in safety, performance, and comfort on the road. All tires, whether for gas or electric cars, have 5 main jobs. First, they support the weight of the car. This is true for a small city car or a heavy SUV. Second, tires provide grip. They keep you safe by sticking to the road, especially in rain or snow. Third, tires must absorb shocks. Roads are never perfect. Tires help make the ride comfortable by softening bumps and holes. Fourth, they help steer the car. When you turn the wheel, the tires respond, letting you control where you go. Finally, tires reduce rolling resistance. This means they help the car move forward smoothly, using as little energy as possible. For regular cars, this means saving fuel. For EVs, it means more miles per battery charge. These 5 jobs are the same for every tire, but how they are balanced and designed can change a lot, especially when you switch from gas to electric power. One big difference between EVs and regular cars is weight. Electric vehicles have large, heavy batteries. These batteries often weigh hundreds of pounds. That extra weight is like carrying a suitcase all the time, even when you're just going to the store. Because of this, EV tires need to be much stronger. They use thicker rubber, extra layers inside, and tougher sidewalls. These changes help the tire carry the weight safely. If a tire isn't strong enough, it can wear out quickly or even get damaged. The added weight also changes how the tire touches the road. More pressure means more heat and faster wear if the tire isn't built for it. That's why using regular tires on an EV can lead to problems. They simply aren't made for the load. So next time you see a heavy EV, imagine its tires working overtime. They're built tough so you can drive safely no matter how heavy your car is. Imagine carrying a heavy backpack every day. If your shoes are thin or weak, they'll wear out fast. But with good strong shoes, you can walk longer and stay comfortable. Tires work the same way for cars, especially for heavy EVs. The pressure from the weight of the battery pushes down on each tire. This means the rubber gets squished more with every turn of the wheel. Over time, this can cause the tire to wear out faster, especially if it's not made to handle the pressure. That's why EV tires are designed with special rubber mixes. They use compounds that resist wear and stay strong under pressure. Some also have reinforced belts or support rings, like a strong sole in a shoe, to handle the daily load. By building tires smarter, engineers make sure you get more miles and better safety. It's the difference between a sturdy hiking boot and a flimsy sandal when carrying a heavy load. Electric cars are famous for their instant power. Step on the pedal and the car moves quickly. No waiting for the engine to build up speed. This quick start is called instant torque. It's fun, but it's also tough on tires. When a tire gets hit with instant torque, it can slip or spin more easily. The rubber has to grip the road right away, or you'll lose control. This means EV tires need special tread patterns and stronger sidewalls to handle these sudden forces. Regular tires might struggle with this kind of power. They could wear out faster or even lose grip in an emergency. That's why EV tires are made to be stiffer and stronger, especially where the rubber meets the road. So the next time you feel that quick push in an electric car, remember, the tires are working hard to keep you safe and in control, even in those exciting moments. Every time a tire rolls down the road, it faces a hidden force working against it, resistance that tries to slow it down, even if you can't see it happening. This invisible force is called rolling resistance, and it's present every single time your wheels turn. Imagine trying to walk with a sticky shoe. Each step feels heavier, and you need to push harder to keep moving. That's exactly what your car's tires experience, just on a much bigger scale. For traditional gas-powered cars, more rolling resistance means the engine has to work harder, burning more fuel just to keep the car moving at the same speed. And for electric vehicles, it's just as important. Higher resistance drains the battery faster, so you end up with less range before you need to recharge. That's why EV tires are specially engineered to minimize rolling resistance as much as possible. They're made from advanced rubber compounds that are both strong and flexible, allowing them to grip the road while still rolling smoothly. This special rubber helps the car glide forward with less wasted energy, making every bit of battery power count. Some EV tires even feature unique tread patterns or shapes, designed to reduce friction and help the car roll more efficiently over different surfaces. Reducing rolling resistance isn't just a minor tweak, it's a crucial part of EV design, because it directly impacts how far you can drive on a single charge. Every small improvement in tire efficiency means more miles between charges, giving drivers greater freedom and confidence on the road. That's why car makers invest so much effort into creating tires that are not only lightweight and durable, but also optimized for maximum efficiency. So, even though you might not notice it, every single turn of the wheel is a constant battle against resistance, quietly shaping your driving experience. With the right tires, your electric vehicle can travel farther on every charge, making your journeys smoother, more efficient, and ultimately, more enjoyable. One of the best things about electric cars is just how quiet they are. There's really no engine noise, just the soft hum of the tires on the road. But, this silence also means you can hear tire noise more than ever before. To fix this, EV tires often have special features to reduce noise. Some have foam liners inside to absorb sound, and others use special tread patterns that make less noise when rolling. Even the rubber mix can be tuned to be quieter. This isn't just about comfort either. Less noise means a more relaxing drive and less stress for everyone inside the car. It also helps people outside, making cities quieter places to live. So next time you glide along in an electric car, thank your tires for the peace and quiet. They're working hard to keep your ride as smooth and silent as possible. You might wonder if you can just use regular tires on your electric car. Sometimes you can, but honestly, it's not a good idea. Even small differences in design can make a big impact on safety, wear, and battery life. Regular tires might be cheaper, but they'll wear out faster on an EV, and they might not grip the road as well when you accelerate quickly. They can also make your car noisier and reduce your driving range. Over time, these small problems can add up to bigger costs and less safety. By choosing tires made for EVs, you get better performance in every way. You get more miles, better grip, less noise, and longer life. The higher price up front is often worth it in the long run. Remember, tires are the only part of your car that actually touches the road. Every small improvement can mean a safer, quieter, and more enjoyable drive. Tires are easy to overlook. I mean, they're not flashy or high-tech like the rest of your EV, but they really are engineering marvels. Every curve, layer, and rubber mix is designed for safety, comfort, and efficiency. When you drive an electric car, your tires are honestly doing more work than ever before. They carry heavy batteries, grip the road under instant power, and help you travel farther on each charge. They even make your ride quieter and smoother. So the next time you see a tire, think about all the hidden science inside. It's the unsung hero of modern cars, quietly making every journey possible. In the world of electric vehicles, the real magic often happens where the rubber meets the road. In the end, tires may sit below our feet, but they are at the heart of modern mobility. The next time you take a drive, give a silent thanks to the science spinning just beneath you.